If you're looking to create an image carousel in Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Stay tuned because I'll also share a couple of things Practice Better might not do as well and recommend some solid alternatives at the end. You won't want to miss that. Now, let's get right into it. First off, to create an image carousel in Practice Better, you'll need to start by navigating to the Media section of your account. This is where you'll upload all the images you plan to use in your carousel. Next thing, once your images are uploaded, go to the Content Library and create a new content block. You'll want to select Image Carousel from the available options. This will allow you to add multiple images to one space, creating that clean, interactive carousel look for your clients or students. It's perfect for showcasing multiple pictures without overwhelming the page. The third thing you need to know is that you can adjust the settings of your carousel. You can control the number of images that appear at once, the transition speed, and even the direction of the carousel. It's all customizable to make sure it fits your branding and style. Now, let's talk about how you can integrate your carousel into your session or course. After you've created your carousel, go ahead and embed it into your session or program page. It's a simple drag and drop action, no coding required. Just select your content block and drop it where you want the carousel to appear. The fourth thing to consider is mobile responsiveness. One of the things Practice Better does well is ensuring that the carousel is responsive, but sometimes the images might not look as sharp or fit perfectly on smaller screens. So, be sure to check how it looks on mobile, especially if that's a significant part of your client's experience. Another important point, while Practice Better allows you to build an image carousel, it's important to note that the platform is not as customizable when it comes to advanced design options compared to some of its competitors. For example, platforms like Shopify or Squarespace have more robust options for design flexibility and customization if you're looking for more creative freedom. Next thing, if you're interested in adding images for marketing or content delivery, Practice Better does the job, but it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as some alternatives. Platforms like Wix or WordPress might offer smoother integrations and more powerful tools to create dynamic image carousels for different purposes, not just within coaching or health programs. Now, let's talk about what happens next. If you're considering Practice Better for your image carousel needs, but want more design flexibility, there's an alternative that might work better. I've tested multiple platforms, and in my experience, you'll find that tools like Wix, WordPress, or even Shopify offer more control over visuals and image presentation, plus they come with their own free trials. At the end of the day, Practice Better does the job, but if you want more customization and a platform that's tailored to different types of projects beyond just health and wellness, these other options might be more up your alley. Finally, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to Practice Better's extended free trial and some fantastic benefits that are only available to my viewers. But if you're not sold on Practice Better or need a bit more customization, I've included links to some incredible alternatives that also offer free trials and better meet the goal of a fully customizable image carousel. Click through the links for the best offers and let me know in the comments which platform you think suits your needs best.